Hey guys, Marlon with Europa Motors in Modesto, California. Today in front of us we have a 2020 Mercedes E350. Body shop brought me this vehicle complaining of a no crank, no start condition. Wanted to share this tech tip to hopefully save you some time and headaches down the road. So we have a no crank, no start. Airbags were deployed. The previous shop replaced the underhood pre-fuse box as well as numerous airbag modules. So to fix this issue, we have to reset the starter in the engine control module, or ME. And we'll walk you through it. ECM, special functions, teach-in process, teach-in processes again, and down here, enabling of engine start after crash event. That is the guy that you need. So I've already performed the reset on this one, but I wanted to show you what you would see. Inhibitive engine start by crash event not active. Before I reset it, this would say active, and that is what's preventing your no start. Okay, so you simply hit F1, continue, cycle the key off and on, and you should have a functioning vehicle. As you see there, vehicle starts and runs. So again, just wanted to kind of share this with you to save you time, headaches, wondering what is going on. Okay, for products and services, please visit us at europamotorsmodesto.com or visit our YouTube channel, Europa Motors Inc. My name is Marlon. Thank you for your time. If you got any questions, give us a call, 209-551-0277. Thank you.